The UN General Assembly, UNGA, has passed several resolutions recently. Here are some key ones: Superscript 1, Superscript 2, Superscript 3. Asterisk Gaza Ceasefire Resolution Asterisk. The UNGA adopted a resolution demanding an immediate, unconditional, and permanent ceasefire in Gaza, with 149 member states voting in favor, 12 against, and 19 abstentions. The resolution also calls for the release of all hostages and the resumption of humanitarian aid to stave off famine. Asterisk end to Israel's occupation asterisk. Another resolution was passed with 124 nations in favor, 14 against, and 43 abstentions, calling for Israel to end its unlawful presence in the occupied Palestinian territory. The resolution demands Israel withdraw its military forces, cease settlement activities, and dismantle parts of the separation wall. Asterisk to state solution asterisk. A recent resolution endorsing the New York Declaration on the peaceful settlement of the Palestine issue and implementation of the two-state solution was adopted with 142 nations voting in favor, 10 against, and 12 abstentions. India was among the countries that voted in favor of all these resolutions. These resolutions, while not legally binding, carry significant political and moral weight. Key aspects include Superscript 1, Superscript 2. Asterisk Humanitarian access asterisk demands full, safe, and unimpeded delivery of aid, including food, medicine, and shelter, throughout Gaza. Asterisk Protection of civilians asterisk calls for the protection of civilians, including medical neutrality and accountability for violations. Asterisk Settler violence asterisk urges states to implement sanctions against individuals and entities involved in maintaining Israel's unlawful presence. Asterisk Palestinian statehood asterisk supports the right of the Palestinian people to self-determination and a sovereign, independent Palestinian state. Date adopted 12th September 2025. Voting summary. In favor 142 countries. Against 10 countries, including Israel and the United States. Abstentions 12 countries. Dash. Newspaper What It Says demands. This declaration calls for a renewed push for a two-state solution between Israel and Palestine, an immediate ceasefire in Gaza, release of all hostages taken during the conflict, disarmament of Hamas and its removal from governance in Gaza, normalization or improved relations between Israel and Arab states,